Want to build a professional website, but do not know how to code? What if I told you that you can create a stunning, fully functional website in just 10 minutes using AI? No HTML, no CSS, no JavaScript, just your ideas and the power of artificial intelligence. Let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Step 1. Choose your AI website builder. There are several great options right now. Wix80 uses AI to design your site based on a simple questionnaire. Framer AI lets you describe your site in plain English and generates it instantly. Houstinger AI website builder creates complete sites from a brief description. And Cursor AI, if you want more control, let us you build with code that the AI writes for you. For this tutorial, I will focus on Framer AI because it gives the best results in the shortest time. Step 2. Describe your website. This is where the magic happens. Instead of dragging and dropping elements for hours, you simply tell the AI what you want. Type something like create a modern portfolio website for a freelance photographer with a hero section, gallery grid, feature about page, and contact form. The AI understands your intent and generates a complete design in seconds. The key is being specific. The more detail you provide about your brand, colors, layout preferences, and content sections, the better the result. Step 3. Customize the generated design. The AI gives you a solid foundation, but you will want to make it your own. Change colors to match your brand palette. Swap placeholder images with your own photos. Edit text to reflect your actual content. Adjust layouts by moving sections around. The AI-generated design follows modern web design principles, so even with minimal changes, your site will look professional. Most builders let you click any element and modify it directly. Step 4. Add essential pages and features. Every good website needs certain core elements. Make sure you have a compelling homepage that clearly communicates what you offer, and about page that builds trust and shows your personality. A services or portfolio page showcasing your work, a contact page with a working form, and if you are selling products, a shop page with payment integration. Most AI builders can add all of these with a single click or a simple prompt. Step 5. Optimize for search engines. Your beautiful website will not matter if nobody can find it. Here is the quick sec list. Add a clear page title and meta description for every page. Use heading tags properly with your target keywords. Compress your images for faster loading. Make sure your site is mobile responsive, which AI builders handle automatically. Connect Google Analytics and Search Console to track your performance. This takes maybe 5 extra minutes, but makes a huge difference in visibility. Step 6. Publish and connect your domain. Once you are happy with the design, hit Publish. Most AI builders give you a free subdomain to start with. For a professional look, connect your own custom domain. You can buy domains directly through most builders or connect one you already own from providers like Namecheap or GoDaddy. The entire process takes under 2 minutes. SEO certificates are included automatically, so your site is secure from. Now let me share some pro tips that most tutorials miss. First, use AI to generate your website copy too. Tools like ChatGPT or Claude can write compelling headlines, product descriptions, and call to action text in seconds. Second, take advantage of AI image generation for unique visuals. Instead of stock photos, use tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create custom images that match your brand. Third, test your site on multiple devices before launching. Most AI builders have a preview mode for desktop, tablet, and mobile. The biggest mistake people make is overcomplicating things. Start simple. You can always add more features later. A clean, fast, one-page website is better than a cluttered 10-page site that confuses visitors. Remember, the goal is to get online quickly and iterate based on real user feedback. Building a website with AI is genuinely one of the most accessible skills in 2026. You do not need to spend thousands on a developer or waste weeks learning to code. The tools are here, they are affordable, and they produce professional results. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Patapo AI for more step-by-step AI tutorials every week. Drop a comment with your website